Are you looking for the best spin mop heads in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best spin mop heads that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, LINKYO Spin Mop Microfiber Replacement Mop Head. These LINKYO mop heads have been reviewed the most and also rated high this year. Their high-quality microfiber works great on both hard and soft surfaces. These mop heads have been uniquely designed for the LINKYO Spin Mop. Their super soft microfiber makes them the most ideal for cleaning sensitive areas. Additionally, they come in amazing colors, and the strands won't pull out easily even when working on hard floors. At number 4, Spin and Go Pro Mop Replacement Mop Head. These spin mop heads come in packs of 1, 2, or 5. They are the best replacement heads for the Spin and Go Pro Mop. The mop heads bring you the easiest way to get your cleaning duties done. Besides being light, these heads are sturdy and excellent for cleaning hard and soft floors. These are also good absorbers and are easy to wring. At number 3, Oseater Easy Wring Spin Mop Refill. These Oseater spin mop heads are amongst the best inventions in the cleaning sector today. What bothers you most while cleaning? Dog hair, dust, grime, greasy kitchen, or hard floor? Oseater Easy Wring Spin Mop Head is what you require. The non-streak super absorbing microfibers will absorb water real quick and are also easy to wring. Again, they are easy to change and are machine washable. At number 2, Mopnado Microfiber Spin Mop Replacement Mop Head. Is your Mopnado mop head worn out and you need a new one? You found it. These heads come in a pack of 2 at an unbeatable price. With over 8,000 tendrils bonded together firmly, these heads form an incredible way of dusting, cleaning, and absorbing spills. They are machine washable and amazingly durable. These high-performing spin mop heads work well in almost all types of floors, causing no damage on them while leaving no debris behind. At number 1, Beal 2 All Replacement Mop Micro Head Refill Hurricane for 360 degrees. Cleaning has never been this enjoyable. This money-saving, time-saving, and efficient spin mop head is a must-have for every home today. These brand-new spin mop heads are easy to clean and absorb almost 100% of the water, making your cleaning time-saving, effortless and enjoyable. One X-lot of 2 spin mop heads can be used to clean glass windows, soft and hard floors, vehicle, etc. Again, these spin mop heads rotate smoothly through the handle, and the microfibers won't scratch your floor. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.